and I'm going to be showing you a little bit about what some of the finished product that I do in the Passport collection. So the variety comes anything from, this is a very beautiful, very heavy silver bead with this absolute azure seas chalcedony type of bead with a little pretty drop earring with that. So that's one example of something a little sparkly. Along that same line, this is gorgeous. It looks like ice melting on your neck. So on a really warm day, this is just, it just looks so inviting. And the tassel comes from Istanbul. It's known as a rosary tassel. And they just make wonderful finishes for dropping of your crystal pendant. Then I'll go on to, well, I'll stay with the crystal. This is another, look at the yum colors of this, the purple and the gold. It's just, they're all faceted, and they're absolutely, those two colors together just make up a beautiful, beautiful, scrumptious piece that flatters any skin tone. And then I'll go into a little bit more on the heavier side. We've got this is kind of my signature red coral and turquoise. This is just a beautiful piece, very mixed and excuse me, very gorgeous, gorgeous piece. This one is an interesting one. This is a piece I collected, the prayer box in Istanbul. And these little beads here came from Israel. They're peace doves on them. And then there's old antique Vaselines, these green, they're very old beads from the trade. And there's these little Tibetan knives that symbolize cutting away of life's illusions and those things. And so this just makes for a very interesting kind of an ethnic piece. And then I go back into something quite large, again with my red coral and turquoise, which is a definite passion of mine. I really work with these pieces quite a bit. So I'll go anywhere from something very large to something very delicate, so I'm not totally boxed into any one thing. People know my work by the Passport destination because it has such a specific look to it, and yet sometimes they'll see the lighter things and go, wow, that's really different for you to do that. So it's all fun, it's all wonderful, and I hope to be able to sell some to you. Give me a call.